we present to your attention a video about working with Mars Company's applications for mobile cash registers.
The Mars Social Services application is developed by Mars. The application is designed to automate the accounting and control of social services provided to the population by social workers in real time in a non-financial processing system. The application can support various user scenarios in accordance with customer requirements. The application can be used on various mobile devices, phones, tablets, mobile cash registers running the Android operating system. In this video, we will demonstrate typical user scenarios on the eVotor mobile cash register. These scenarios include the social worker's authorization using login and password, two-step recording of the service rendered, start and end, client evaluation of the service quality, group servicing of multiple clients, and service cancellation. The application is installed from the NFP. After installation, configuration is necessary. The following settings are available in the application. Enable/disable receipt printing. Enable/disable the display of detailed information about the electronic certificate. Set communication parameters with the non-financial processing accounting system. Address and key used for protecting transmitted information. To control the correctness of communication parameters with the non-financial processing system, the application provides a connection checking functionality. To check the connection, you need to click the Check Connection button. The application displays a screen with a notification about the successful connection check. To return to the settings, click the Back button. To save the settings, use the Apply button. If the settings have not been changed, you can simply click the Back button. To start working with the accounting system, the social worker must log in. The application provides the ability to log in with a username and password, as well as additional authorization options. This scenario demonstrates login and password authorization. The social worker enters their login credentials, which are provided by the system administrators, and clicks the Login button. Interaction with the system occurs. The application receives data about the social worker, including the type of service. In our scenario, semi-stationary or home care is provided. Upon successful authorization, the main screen of the application opens, where we see the social worker's data, including their average service quality rating and the number of open orders. To start providing the service, it is necessary to obtain the recipient's social services certificate data from the accounting system, according to which social services will be provided. The application supports two methods of identifying social service recipients, by bank card or QR code. In this scenario, the recipient of social services is identified by bank card. Please note that when identifying by bank card, no banking payment details are transmitted. Only the card number is used, which is securely converted into a value that serves as the identifier for the social service recipient. The social service recipient taps the card. There is an exchange with the accounting system from which we get certificate information. In the current settings, the display of certificate information is not disabled, so we see full information about the certificate, its number, validity period, and details of the issuing organization. To create an order, we switch to the cart formation mode. The cart can include several services. We add services. As we can see, the list includes only those services related to the type of service available to our social worker and linked to the selected certificate. After forming the cart, we click the Create Order button. An exchange with the accounting system takes place, since the system uses a two-step confirmation of service delivery, start and end. After clicking the Create Order button, the order is registered with the start time of service delivery recorded and remains in an intermediate unfinished state. The application displays a screen with a notification of successful order registration. A receipt is printed because printing is not disabled in the settings. Next, the application moves to the main screen. As we can see, information appeared on the main screen that the social worker has one unfinished order. After delivering the services, the recipient must confirm it. The recipient again taps the card. There is an exchange with the accounting system. We see information about the unfinished order, the current basket with selected services, and the order completion timer. After the services are provided, the client has the opportunity to evaluate their quality. To complete the service, the social worker presses the Pay with Certificate button. There is an exchange with the accounting system, which records the time of order completion. The order then changes to the final status. The app displays notifications about successfully debiting services from the certificate. A receipt is printed because the printing setting is not disabled. This is not a full cash receipt, as payments using electronic certificates are not subject to fiscalization. To demonstrate the possibility of group customer service, we open a new order. We draw your attention to the fact that group service is available only for semi-stationary forms of service. Press the Open Group button. Consequently, the group registration screen will open. Next, for each client, we carry out actions to identify and select the necessary certificate. For subsequent clients in the group, the services are selected automatically in accordance with the services chosen for the first client. After the required number of clients is registered, click the Close Group button. A confirmation window, Close Group, will appear. To confirm the group closure, click the OK button. There is an exchange with the accounting system. Orders from all clients in the group are registered. The application displays a screen with a notification of successful order registration. To complete group servicing, one of the group clients taps the card. As a result, the current basket screen opens. To switch to the group servicing mode on the current basket screen, press the Open Group button. As a result, the group registration screen opens. All clients in the group take turns tapping their cards. The social worker presses the Close Group button. Data is exchanged with the accounting system. The app shows notifications about the successful deduction of services from the certificates. Then, it transitions to the main screen. Orders are considered closed. A receipt is printed. If for some reason a service was not provided or could not be provided, it can be cancelled. To demonstrate the cancellation of an order, we identify the recipient of social services who has open orders. To cancel an order, click the Cancel button in the current cart with the selected services. As a result, a screen appears with the choice of the order cancellation reason. The app offers the option to select one of the listed reasons or indicate your own using the on-screen keyboard. To finish, click the Send button. An exchange with the accounting system takes place. The app displays notifications about the successful cancellation of the order.